Oh, hi there. Take one. All right, this is a little model bird that I've made, inspired by this exercise in John Busby's excellent book on drawing birds. This book is great even if you aren't into drawing birds yourself. It's a beautiful book. So I feel justified in stealing this idea from him. I'm giving him a plug here. John Busby, Drawing Birds. Okay, you do your little cutout. I switched over from seagull to eagle with a little help from my old buddy Charles R. Knight. Kind of copied it off of his a little, as best I could. Hopefully the proportions are somewhat correct. I also drew in the wing bones to give an idea of the anatomy underneath this. And then you can, with a little ingenuity, rig up. You can always just hold it, but that's a little awkward to hold and draw at the same time. So I rigged up a little insidious little device here. Can't find my paper clip. There we go. And where are we going here? Voila. And then you can use this to familiarize yourself with the angles of the wings. Don't look too close at these. They're really kind of rough, but it helps to really cement it in your brain, the way the various angles go. And if you have something in particular you want to depict, you can move it around to get a general idea. Much easier than having the real eagle flying around you, although there's no substitute for the real thing.